Hey guys, quick video for you today. I'm just out scouting some land to do some winter camping. Should be fun. The temperatures look decent, mid-20s, and snow off and on, then cooling off tonight, low of 6. So that'll be a good test for some of my winter gear. I want to show you the tinder pouch I made. Little custom artwork there. And so I've been just collecting tinder as I go along here. That way I'll be all set once I get to camp. Well, I got the hammock all set up just in time for the snow. Oh, nice little spot here. And this worked out good last time. Put my down jacket around the foot box. Get to test out my new sleeping bag this trip. Actually, I used it before, but it wasn't quite cold enough to get it. So I got a piece of chaga here. I'm going to see if I can get it to take a spark, and then I'll add that to my bird's nest. Can't get this far going. We're losing our daylight here. want to thank Caitlin for sending me this new ferro rod. That's pretty awesome, huh? It's got the magnesium on there. I really like the antler though. That is pretty nice. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Caitlin. I was too lazy to chop the wood small, so I just got kind of a long fire going here, I guess. That's fine. So check out these lights, ridgeline lights I got. See what kind of light it puts off once it gets a little darker, but it looks pretty cool. Check it out. Sweet. Smuggled in a few brews too. Really like this Lining Cool's Snowdrift Vanilla Porter. It's a seasonal, but it's good stuff. And I always hate to bring bottles with me camping, but I do have this Leoprene sleeve that it sits in, so that'll prevent it from breaking or anything. That's good stuff. See, my tripod's working out good. Got my gloves hanging there, the Kelly kettle hanging. I left these branches sticking out purposely to hang stuff on, so I didn't have to put my bottles in the fire or in the snow. Keeps it from freezing. Got some water boiling there. Oh, bon appetit. A little sweet and sour pork with some kielbasa mixed in. Smells good. Well, as you can see, I'm home. I forgot to pack my spare battery, so I had to cut it short. I would have liked to have gotten more footage, but anyway, I had a great trip. It got pretty cold last night. I was toasty in the hammock. It got down to about 4 degrees, but earlier this evening, the wind really started picking up. I wanted to stay 2 nights, but the winds were ripping around 40-mile-an-hour gusts, so I didn't want to have to deal with that. But anyway, I wanted to thank you for watching. I hope everybody had a great holiday, and Happy New Year. Thanks again.